CYCC stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Cyclacel Pharmaceuticals stock buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. The very first thing that I'm seeing is a 200% up is absolutely sick. It's juicy, and all I'm looking to do is just double down on that. Now, having done 43,000 videos myself, I've seen what's printing and what's not. I'm not even, trying to exaggerate or whatever, but it's all on my YouTube channel. No one else has come even close to making more videos than this. And since I saw the price printing, post-market is so far a bit lower. But I'm just not gonna immediately buy, but I'm open-minded for the idea where if there is a confirmation, and there's frankly nothing stopping me from just doubling down on this and buying more. You know what I mean. So that's how CYCC is looking like. I do have previous receipts in my Discord with 3 results. Obviously not financial advice due on due diligence, but if you want to stay tuned with this and simultaneously get my money-making emails and insights for free, click the first link below.